I bet you didn't know that a 5.3 earthquake just hit off Portugal's coast. At 5:11 a.m. local time, a 5.3 magnitude earthquake struck approximately 32 miles west of Sines, Portugal. According to the United States Geological Survey, the quake had an epicenter at nearly 11 miles deep. Light to moderate shaking was felt along Portugal's coast, with tremors reaching as far as Lisbon. Fortunately, no injuries have been reported. Portugal's Institute of the Sea and Atmosphere has confirmed at least 4 minor aftershocks since the initial quake. While this event serves as a stark reminder of the region's seismic activity, the absence of injuries brings a sigh of relief. Stay tuned to our channel for more updates and information as this story develops.